Good morning children, welcome back to today's class. We are continuing our lesson number 2 and we have finished about the multiple choice questions and right or wrong in the brackets we have finished. Now fifth bit. In the textbook we are going to write fifth bit. Is it not? So what is fifth bit? What is going wrong? Write in one line. The first picture they have given a kitten from the egg. Chinna pilli pilla kitten. It is coming out from egg. Which animal will come out from the egg? A baby chick will come out from an egg, not the cat. Right? Kitten ekkadi nunchi vastundi, cat దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తుంది. And the egg నుంచి ఏమొస్తుంది? చిన్న కోడి పిల్ల. So what is the wrong here? The cat is wrong, no? So we have to write that baby kitten. Kitten does not come out from an egg. That means cat does not lay eggs. Pilli eggs pedutunda? Petadu kada. So cat does not lay eggs. Second picture they have given that it is a animal that is flying in the sky. I think it's a goat. So does it fly in the sky? No, it does not fly in the sky. Next they have given the sun is drinking the cool drink by using straw. Does it happen? No. Next here the tree. Tree is running. Does the tree move? No. And next fish is flying in the next picture. Does the fish fly? No. Next the monkey is swimming in the water. Does the monkey swim under the water? No. So all these are wrong. So now we have to, what is going wrong? So that we have to write in the textbook. Open the textbook page number 198. So first one they have given egg and a kitten. So we have to write that cat does not lay eggs. Otherwise kitten does not come out from eggs. It's very easy now for you. According to the picture it will be right. Kitten don't come from an egg. Egg lo nunchi kitten raadu. Okay na? Kitten does not come from an egg. Just write like this. Next one. Dog. I think this is a dog only, ma. Dog does not fly. Dog does not fly. Okay. Next one. Sun don't drink. Sun do not drink. Next. A tree do not move. Next one. A tree do not move. Next, a fish do not fly. Next one, a monkey does not swim. A monkey does not swim. Okay, now look into the board and write down it. Clearly, I'll show you once again. Close look. Kitten don't come from an egg. Dog does not fly. Sun do not drink. A tree do not move. A fish do not fly. A monkey does not swim. Clear? Alright, next bit number 6. Write L for living thing and NL for non-living thing. Here they have given the picture of book. First one is book. Is this a picture of book, ma? Yes, that's the book. So they have given a box like this, no? So is a book living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Then here you have to write an L. Okay. Next picture they have given doll. Next picture they have given fish. Next picture they have given tree, table, water, sun, car, dog, rock. So next one, doll. Toy. Is it a living or non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. Then write NL. Next they have given the fish. Fish, living thing. Write L. Tree. Tree is a living thing. Write L. Table. Non-living thing. Sun. Natural thing you write. N. Okay. Next car. Non-living thing. Next water. It's a natural thing. It's not a living thing, non-living. It's a natural thing. Dog. Living thing. Rock. Non-living thing. Look at the board and write it in the textbook, ma. Now they have given here down fun activity. What is this? Fun activity. Find some living and non-living things in the grid. They have given here letters like T, U, S, T, O, N, E, V. Like the single alphabets they have given. From this you have to find out where is the non-living thing and where is the living thing. P, D, N, U, F, L, K, W, B, O, A, T, N, T, W, D. When I am reading itself, you can find the living things and non-living. That's why I am reading. Be careful when I am reading, okay? O, G, K, D, E, R, A, O. Next, Q, H, E, N, B, E, T, L. Next, S, R, O, C, K, E, E, L. B, G, F, I, S, H, R, A. So like this they have given the alphabets. From this you have to find out the living things and non-living things. Example they have given here. S-U-N, sun. They have given or not? They have given S-U-N, sun. Next, fast. Fast ga cheppali. Next one ekkada undi? B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat, non-living thing. Here, the B-O-A-T, boat. Next, H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. I am giving a small tick, okay? Next, R-O-C-K, rock. Next, F-I-S-H, fish. Okay? Next, some more we have to find out. Maybe they have given like this also. O-W-L, oval. Okay? S-T-O-N, stone. S-T-O-N, stone. Both living things and non-living things are there. Both living things and non-living things are there. Next, if you find any more, you can tick it. Only, okay, this much only I have find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have given one, sun, 7. So, if you find any some more examples, you can do it. Next, today's CW, we have finished. Till now we have finished, no? Fun puzzle, living things and non things, what is going wrong. All this way we have finished. Now I am going to give you the homework. So write clearly your class name, section, everything, and when you are sending the homework, please send the name. Now write first question. What are natural things? Give example. What are natural things? Give example. Okay, answer. Homework, you have to write the 2 times. How many times is your homework this question answer? 2 times. Things created in nature. THINGS, things. CREATED, created. In nature or by nature also you can write. Okay, things created in nature. Things created in nature are called natural things. Are called natural things. నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరందరూ చెప్పాలమ్మా. Things created in nature are called natural things. Example. Example ఏంటి? థింగ్స్ నేచర్ ఏమేమి క్రియేట్ చేసింది? Like you can write sky, sun, rock, moon, okay, water. So these are all created by the nature itself. So what are natural things? Give example. Things created in nature are called natural things. Example, sky, sun, rock, moon, water. Have a close look. Once again I'll show you. So your homework is to write 2 times. But you have to learn. Thank you, children.